morning, babe. What's the plan for today?
Oh, you're recording? Today is our final full day in Bali. We're gonna be taking a day tour to check out local Balinese stuff like rice fields. There's a really cool waterfall, coffee field, and I think we end the day by going to a local street shopping area. So let's see how that goes. We just finished our breakfast and we're waiting for our driver to arrive, and we'll be heading out soon.
And coffee plantation.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
That's all the things that we're going to be visiting today. I'm so excited. Thank you.
For the last one, we have a control division. This for the last check quality. Okay. And for the quality of the silver also in here, we use 92.5% stable silver.
Oh wow.
So and then now you can have a look. Maybe if you have a question, just ask to me, and you can put pictures if you want to know.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. So they use 92.5%
Yeah, that's what I
sterling
wear.
silver.
The one is a pendant. So for inside, we put like a bowl. Well, so like this. And that one we put with the like for Balinese design. So we put one by one with like a silver snake.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are these earrings?
No, pendant.
Pendant. Look at that.
Yeah. So he's melting?
Which one? That one is like a for soldering process.
Sorry,
process is that?
Soldering. Solder.
Solitaire?
Soldering process, yeah. We put like melting first, and then we put with the silver stick mixed with the glue.
Oh, okay. Oh, you are already doing it. That's for me?
So this is the polishing. So we just checked out the silver factory where they and the whole process of making silver and polishing it. It's such a cool thing. Now we're gonna go to the gallery and see their finished products and go from there.
How did we come in? This way?
Yeah. Just got done at the silver factory gallery. We were not allowed to take any pictures or video in there. It was really nice. Anyone coming to Bali, I do recommend checking out the factory, and yeah, that's what the wifey got. So I do recommend checking this place out. The whole process and their gallery is very, very nice, and the people are very nice.
And they give you certificate and everything for the jewelry that you buy. It's all authentic.
Authentication, yeah. So the next stop is checking out how they weave and make certain dresses. That sounds very interesting. Let's check it out.
Printing, painting, and weaving a dress.
Got done with the batik factory where they had a whole bunch of fabric designs and like different things. Once again, we were not allowed to take video inside. Now we're heading to a wood carving place. So far this trip, this tour has been really good. Check out the local industries and how everything is done over here. Stay tuned.
One piece of the wood, and then the artist make just a little bit about the skate. The artist can make the carving and then just come to imagination only. After make a skate, the artist cut by X. Cut a little bit by X, and then this is the crocodile wood we get from Bali because the skin of the tree look like skin of crocodile, so we call crocodile wood.
Oh, so this is made from this?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
And then this is the hibiscus wood.
The wood carving thing was amazing. It was all handmade. It was the amount of work and the details that went into it. It was exemplary. So now we are on our way to the painting place. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Just got done with the art painting place. Very nice. We ended up getting a really nice painting just to as a souvenir to remember Bali by. Now we're on our way to Batuan temple.
Yes.
Okay, here,
So you have to put this on before going to the temple.
come.
Ketut, that's in Bali we have 4 main name.
Okay.
Yeah, the first one we call it Wayan, the second one we call it Made, the third we call it Newman,
Yeah.
number 4 Ketut.
Oh.
So I'm number 4.
You're number 4.
Yes. This is every single temple. We have 3 part of the temple.
Okay.
That's out part, middle part, and main temple. And also in Bali we can on with Nista, Madhya, and Utama. And before we come inside to middle part of the temple, we will meet a separate gate like that. Yeah, that's mean if we come to the temple, we have to separate bad thing and good thing in our mind.
Oh,
So
okay.
if we come to the temple, we must be focused with what we wish. If we can, we just empty your mind. So later on when you're praying, the God will feel it. And then after that, before we come to the main temple, we will meet a closed gate.
This
like
is the main temple?
Yeah, inside there, that is
Okay.
main temple. Before we come inside to the main temple, we will meet a closed gate like that.
I got it.
That's mean when you can separate bad thing and good thing in our mind. You have to keep it. The good
Separated.
thing.
Only good thing keep.
Only good thinking, and also if you can empty your mind.
Mm.
And in the middle one,
Mm.
that gate is always closed.
Oh.
Yeah, that's
Why?
only they will open when we have the ceremony.
And what is that?
We're not sure about the day. Okay.
Oh, okay.
But the ceremony they always coming every 6 months.
Every 6 months. So
So
this,
this the offering. Yeah. This is like a
Offering.
the daily offering.
I see this everywhere.
Yeah. Because like this. For the offering, we have two meaning of offering. If we put the offering in the bottom, like what we see in the front of the shop, like that.
Yeah, I do see those.
Yeah, that's not offering to the God. That's only for the spirits.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because in Hindu we believe that they have the spirit everywhere.
Mm.
So we treat the spirit the same like human. Sometimes we put candy, cigarette.
Okay.
Yeah, because we believe when we treat them well,
He wants to do it on the way back.
they will not disturb us.
Oh.
Wow. 80.
Yeah, that's around 1,000 years ago.
Wow, 1,000-year-old temple.
Yeah, they will sitting here
Yeah, okay.
and then we praying together. And then after that, the priest, the holy priest, like this one, the white robe.
Temple was amazing. We got to learn so many new things, especially about the Balinese culture and how they offer different things. And now we're on our way to the rice field.